Hey guys, what's up? It's Connor here with Callum. Say hi. Oh wait, dude. Okay, that's some music.
What?
That's Cara. So we're at this place and we got some fireworks. You can see the lights getting ready off in the distance. Hopefully, probably not. Okay. We've got Tyler. Guys, hope you enjoy this. See you soon.